People often try to hide it, but it is true that everyone is scared of something. Some get scared by lizards, some by cockroaches, and some by thunder. Generally, fear is considered as a bad thing, but it is a survival mechanism that kicks into gear when your brain senses danger. A child who has no fear of height is more likely to fall out of window. No fear of police and government will lead to chaos in society. So fear is a healthy thing in its place. But things get dramatically different when you get phobia. Phobia is a type of anxiety disorder which affects nearly 10% of the global population. Despite being so common, people often use the terms fear and phobia interchangeably, but they are very different things. Today we shall know all the information about phobia that everyone should know. So stick with us throughout the video. Let's first see these examples. Your best friend has bought a dog. If you go to his house but avoid the dog, then you have fear of dogs. But if you stop going to your friend's house just to avoid the dog, then it is phobia. You are afraid of lizards. Whenever you see it, you try to keep distance from it. This is fear. But if you start running out of the house as soon as you spot a lizard, then it is phobia. If you observe these two examples carefully, you can easily understand following things about phobia. Number 1. It is the extreme fear of any object or situation. Number 2. People go to great lengths to avoid the cause of their phobia. You cannot stop going to your friend's house just because of a dog, but the person with phobia can. Number 3. Fear is totally unreasonable and irrational. Everybody knows that the lizard will not shoot laser at you to vaporize you. But people with phobia can think weirdest and most unlikely reasons. So what are the causes of phobia? Frankly, no one knows the full story. But you are more likely to develop phobia if you have a family member who already has phobia. It can also be caused by a terrifying event which had happened in a person's past. These events can damage the amygdala in the brain. Amygdala plays a key role in the processing of memory, decision making, and emotional reactions. So when the person faces or even thinks of similar situation, the amygdala recalls all those scary memories. And as soon as those memories pop up, persons start to sweat and tremble. Their heart rate increases dramatically. If they don't get away from that situation, they may have difficulty in breathing and may even pass out. There are 3 types of phobia. First is known as specific phobia. It is the fear of objects or situation, for example, animal, darkness, flying, etc. Second is agoraphobia, which is the fear of public places like shopping mall, railway stations, etc. Third is social phobia, in which people are afraid of social situations and interactions. If you are freaked out by a presentation which you have to give 4 weeks later, then you may qualify for this phobia. So what are the treatments of phobia? There is no one size fit for all treatment. Different people are treated differently. But the treatment process includes cognitive behavioral therapy and systematic desensitization. In this, people are told that their fear is irrational and the possibility of getting killed by a dog or lizards are extremely low. They are also trained to face their fears. But this process can take months or even years. So be patient and wait. The cognitive behavioral therapy is also used in the treatment of bipolar disorder. To know more about bipolar disorder, watch this video. And for more such interesting videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.